Hi there. One of the first things I would suggest you do before you start using this platform is to clone your voice so that the AI will now mimic your natural voice in the way that it delivers the video narration, if that's what you want. So find the clone your voice button, click on it, and then go to add a voice. Depending on what you have done already is what you will see on the platform, but you will definitely see a box that says add a voice. So you click on that. Now look at what it says. It said you need to submit a recording of at least 30 seconds, and in that recording you must mention that I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. That's very important for you to do. Then it says pause in between sentences like you normally would. Use a high quality recording equipment to do this because the AI is going to actually mimic your voice. So I've created a video earlier and I want to add that video to it. So I said, okay, go ahead and pick this one. Sometimes I tried uploading an audio, but that didn't seem to work, and I don't know why, but it just didn't. So I have learned to just create a short video of a few seconds. Now it's asking you this question. Oh, wait a minute. You can play the video and see whether it really sounds like you, or you go ahead and accept what it has done here. Is this my voice, or have I the rights to it? Yeah, I have the rights to it. The voice sample. Yeah, I like it. I've done that, and that's okay. My sample looks good. If you play it and your sample looks good, then you know it all looks good. So I'm going to say, yeah, it looks great. And let's see what happens. So it's creating the new voice for me, which is my cloned voice. So it's saying exactly what I've said. You said there are 5 parts to a business plan. The first part is the executive summary. Exactly what I said. The 5th part, appendices. Now yeah, it's done. It's done its job very well. Now, because I've already got another voice of myself, I want to distinguish between the voices. So I'm going to call this one Bumi Toka 2. All right, let's go. So that's that. Let's actually use the voice to create maybe a 1-minute video, and you can now hear what I sound like and probably what you will sound like too. So let's create this video. I'm going to go to Video Explainer because I can control how long the video is. I'm going to say 1 minute. I'm going to say talk about writing a business plan. Okay. Mention the 5 parts to a business plan. Actually, I'm going to tell you what to say. So I'm going to say number 1, executive summary. Number 2, say marketing plan. Number 3, say operations plan. And number 4, say financial plan. Number 4, financial plan. Oops. And number 5, I hope I can spell that right, appendices. Oops, let's see. Anyway, then I'm going to say, if you are wanting to use your voice, when you say any, when you pick any in the settings, use any. That's the best place to be. Once you pick any of this, it's not going to show you your voices. So at least that's what's happening now at the time of recording this. So I'm going to say any. Then I'm going to go here. Then you can see we're going to use Bumi Toka 2 to create that video. Okay, so I've chosen that. Do I want subtitles? Yes, I want the subtitles to be standard. If there's going to be any watermark, of course, I want my name to be on it. By the way, I'm using the paid version, okay? And then I'm going to go to continue. Now, I'm going to tell it to generate the video and see what it does. And when it's done, I'll play you the video so you know what you also may sound like when you use the clone. I think the clone feature is really, really good because I played a video to one of my friends from the clone AI voice, and she said to me, "Oh, Bumis, it kind of sounds like you, but I know that it kind of giving you a little bit of a different accent, but it sounds very, very close." So the cloning is going to be very close, we hope. All right, I would come back to you once the video is done. Of course, it's asking, do you want it to be geared towards entrepreneurs? Do you want it to look professional? Yes. And I want it to be on YouTube? Yeah. All those answers are yes, yes, yes. So create the video, please. Okay, the video is done. Let's listen to it. Embarking on a business venture? Crafting a solid business plan is key. It's your roadmap, your blueprint, your secret sauce. First up, the executive summary, a snapshot of your business, the what, why, who, and how. It's your elevator pitch. Thank you so much for watching this video. And like I said, I really think the first thing for you to do is to get this cloning out of the way, because at some point you are going to want to use your voice as the narrator. All right, talk to you soon.